Yo, what's up everybody? I'm excited to show you this workout app I created so I can track my workouts as well as the progress. I made it all in Replit, so just a quick demonstration of the project. So the program is called PAT, which is Power Hypertrophy Adaptive Training. Put the workout plan here with the required format. Create the program. Program is right here, fat. So then we can view it. You can start it. Then, as you would during the workout, you fill out all of these different areas. Then, if you didn't finish it and you just want to save the workout, you can do that. But in this case, we're just gonna show the demonstration of completing the workout. And then, you would go through each day, do all the workouts. So just to show the functionality. As soon as you get to the last day and you hit complete, phase 2 will be generated. And then same thing, mark complete. And then phase 3. And then what else is cool is in this plan you have these areas here where you can track the progress. So just to demonstrate, in phase 3, let's start it and put some weights. Just to demonstrate the result. So complete workout. Then when we go to the dashboard, it will show the different exercises you did and the weights in them. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this plan. It's very usable and you can add different workouts. I'm going to create a functionality where you can log in and have different accounts which have their own workouts. But yeah, overall I'm really excited about this application. It's really user friendly, it looks really nice, and the main thing is I'm gonna be able to track my workouts now. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Everybody, I've been hitting the gym lately and been following this workout plan. However, the one thing I want to be able to do is track each phase of this workout. So for example, week 1 would be these 5 days of training. And I want to be able to track each week and then at the end compare my progression through the workout. So I tried doing this just in Claude to create some sort of a PDF generator, which is good. It got me this, but I can't really track it. And then I was thinking, well, say if I want to constantly change to it, I'd have to create just a big note to compare. But I'm going to try to do it all in Claude and Replit. So let's ask Claude to generate a code that can then be put into Replit to basically create some sort of web app that will track my progress. So I'm going to say to Claude, hey, I am going to be creating a workout web app type to track my progress in a particular training program. For example, this web app would section each week into phases. For example, the workout above would be 1 week. I would like to create a web app that can essentially process the workout I plan to do for the week and then chunk it out into days. So the visually representative app would initially ask for the workout regimen, then it would process the data and continue onto day 1. As I go through each workout and tabulate the reps and weight for each set of the workout. Then would go through each workout, tabulate the reps and weight for each workout, and when I am finished the first workout, it would move on to the next one. For visual example, day 1. What is your workout plan? Initialization. What is your workout plan? Enter workout plan. Then initialization. Then would you like to it then would create a folder for this particular workout plan of sorts, visually pleasing, and then continue to create a subfolder called phase 1 of the workout I put in with a title. In this case, it would be called fat. Then in phase 1, it will have the first day of the workout plan. First, we'll have then in phase 1 we'll have the 7 days of the workout plan. However, it will just ask for which day are you starting with. Then say day 5, it will hop to that day and start asking the rep weight range for the workouts on day 5. Once it gets to the last day of the workout plan, it will then end phase 1 and prompt a message or have a area to start phase 2, which would be the second week. Then I will start phase 2, which would go accordingly on day 5, and then continue from there. Day 6 and day 7 rest. The prompt message will have an area to start phase 2, which will be the second week, which starts at day 1. Does this make sense? Is there any other questions you have? Also, there will be an area in the app which will track the performance of the progression of the plan. The way it will track the progression of the plan could either be a few different staple benchmarks on the left side of a chart, on the y-axis of a chart with the weight and on the bottom left side chart with the workout type, and on the x-axis it will have the weight. So it can, for example, be bench, squat, deadlift, flies, or other key components of the lift. Maybe it would make more sense to have a chart for each day of the phase, of each day of the different phases that has occurred. So comparing each workout in day 1 in phase 1 compared to phases 2 to 5 to see the progression. I think that would be about it. Finally, this will all have the type of subheadings. Headings. Phase 1. This flexibility allows to track multiple different workouts with minimal effort of putting in each workout manually in some other apps that are common. No, we don't want a React component. Stop, Claude. Stop. Is a prompt for you to generate a prompt for us to use in Replit. Do not recommend any type of framework or anything. Let Replit decide that. However, formulate the prompt for Replit so it can be utilized most efficiently. No, 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 no. No, Claude. this workout shouldn't just focus around fat. It is going to be versatile to any workout program I copy and paste into this regimen. For example, I have another workout, say workout 1. This workout has 28 days in it. Well, in this case, the 28 days would be phase 1 with unique workouts. It may even in a completely different form based on how the it'll make a completely different layout in terms of message style. Could be a chart instead of just straight text. So Replit would have to realize that. Make it versatile. Alright, this is better. Alright, let's see what Replit creates for this.
Planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I
Let's
just
test
let
this
her
thing out.
know.
Wow, this is unreal.
She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or yonder her type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
This is unreal.
Different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role.
No way. What the hell? Ah.
I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness.
Alright, it's not that bad.
It's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
This is epic. No way. There's a timer? That's epic. Then I'm assuming. Let's go. Let's go. You can add an exercise. Yo, this is epic. Okay, let's just make sure it's working.
Since you got me out in the open, now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness.
This is so cool. Save workout has an error. Save workout has an error. And complete workout has an error. Yeah, this is sick. This is sick. Unreal. 10 out of 10. Gonna start utilizing this. And I'm gonna deploy this right now before I forget. Progress. No, no, no. Deploy. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey, yeah, just want to say thanks for watching my videos, and if you can, just like, subscribe, comment any ideas or critiques of my content. I sincerely appreciate that a lot. This workout app is one of those apps that I actually really like, and I'm going to build upon that. So hopefully the iterations in the future are pretty cool and can make something usable about it. Yeah. Whatever, you know. Anyways, have a nice one. Peace out. One love. Have a nice one.